Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach a very interesting subject, SEO, right? So if you want to become a blogger, right? So if you want to rank your website into Google search in the first position, how to do the task? Okay, so when the user come to your website and type Java tutorials, so there are plenty of websites are there. How to your website get ranked in the Google first page like this? So that is the stuff I am going to teach. That is the meaning of keyword research. Okay, if you understand the keyword research well, then only your website become a first page in Google, right? Okay, I will give you the good tips how to become your website become a first position in Google, right? So very simple. So when you are writing the blogging, you have to implement the good keywords, right? We have to find the good keywords. How to find the good keywords, right? That's upon your hand. Okay, so good keyword can help you to increase your search engine visibility. Okay, so how to find the good keywords? Okay, there are plenty of SEO tools are there. One is a Href. Okay, this is the famous tool in the world. Another one is a Moz. These two tools are I recommend that you can find the good keywords, right? So first what I am going to do is here. First there are two choices: Site Explorer and Keyword Explorer. Okay, if you are when you make the blogger, when you building the blog, what's the topic? What is a niche? What does a niche mean? If you are a technology blogger, like if you are a Java, or if you are doing the programming blogger, whatever the topic, okay, so you have to, what is the rank the first website, you can get from that all the keywords, right? So if you are a health blogger, you can go to the health related website, that is the first position, second position, the website, you can get those keywords, you can mention the website name over here, and what are the keywords that are used to increase the search visibility, you can easily find. Okay, so this is my website. I just created Tutors Funny channel. I recently created this website. Okay, so this is not that kind of impression in Google. So because I am recently created the website, so I just ranking. Okay, so here this is the rank. Okay, this is the I just created website. We created about this website only 5 minutes old. Okay, so we have get some impression. Okay, so what are the keywords that I used to create the website? Okay, this is a blogger, tutorsfunny.com. So the keywords. So keyword, when you are getting the keyword to writing your articles, good. Okay, so articles mean these are the articles. They are written some articles. These are called as articles. These are articles. Okay, when you are going to read something else, you just click on the links. There will be the blog. Okay, so inside this blog, what are the keywords they are used to written in the blog? That is called as articles. So articles, these are the keywords. In my blog, I have written these are the articles which will be impressed into the user to give them the first in the page. So these are the articles. So when you get the keywords, this is the keyword which I used to write the articles. So first you have to observe the keyword KD. KD stands for KD. This is KD. This one should be below 10. Okay, so here this side is here you have to, when you go to the volume, you have to type like this. I have find it as 1000. KD rate you have to find it as 1 to 20. Okay, this you have to apply them. Here this is the small website, I am not apply them. Okay, so this is small website. When you are finding the keyword research in the big website, you have to do this sign there. Okay, KD rate 1 to, you have to give us 10 and click apply. Then only you can get from the KD rate below 10. Okay, so you have get it. Okay, volume you have to test it. What is the volume? So here the traffic, CPC rate you have to type 0 to 50 and apply. So this is very must, because if you are a blogger, you just start the blogger, this is the CPC also, so if you have to put it. Okay, then only you will become a good, you can get a good keywords, right? So all the keywords are in this website are below 10. So only one is, this one is below 10, and others are below 10. If you take this one, which one is a KD rate below, I get take it as a keyword difficulty 1. So KD difficulty 1. So here you just go to below. Here you have to, another thing you have to observe the DR rate. DR rate should be also below 10. That then only you can get that keyword and write the articles. So here you have first 10 pages. The 10 pages, the DR rate, you have to see what are the website get low. Here only get 6 low, this website get low 6, and this one low 1. So you will be able to get this keyword. Okay, if it is not DR rate, not get low, it is not low below 10 from these articles, you can't write this keyword, because keyword difficulty is must. Okay, you can get this keyword. School management system project in Java source code. This you can get it and write your articles, right? Whatever things you can put it here. Okay, this is how you can find the article. Okay, so here this is the things. Okay, right. So this is how you can get the keywords from the website. Okay, top 10 website you can get the keywords. When you are get the keywords, first you have to observe whether you can put it to your website or not. Okay, in this keyword is applicable to put the website or not. If you can write that, get that keyword, and you have to write the articles good, you can easily put this keyword and rank your website easily. Okay, first you must take first you have to observe the KD rate, which is below, you can take it. That is not enough, you go to inside this, again you have to observe that the DR rate, domain authority rate, is below 10. There is any articles available below 10, here below 10, you can get them. Here it is 0, you can get them 0, 1 position, the 12, it is enough. You can get and write the keywords. This keyword also you can use, right? Okay, so all are above 50, above 10, don't get it. Okay, you will be able to rank it. This is the good things you have to do it. After that, keyword explorer. This is another must. What is keyword explorer, right? Okay, when the user come to the Google, you have to search from these keywords. Okay, if it is a Java keyword, there are plenty of results here. You can see here. You can't get this keyword because it's a very impression of this keyword. Every Java tutorial mention this keyword, Java tutorial. If you go to the keyword explorer, you just search it, you can get here super hard. This keyword is very hard. Okay, if you are right, you can't, if you are a beginner of the blog writer, you can't, if you have put this keyword in your website, you can't able to become first page. Very difficult stuff. Okay, so you can write, but it's very difficult. This keyword is here, DR rate is very high, so we can't rank your website. Okay, so you have to go for another keyword, Java. If you are looking for a Java developer, you wish to writing in the Java blogger, you have to find the Java low keyword, which is a Java source code, like this. This also the DR rate is very high, KD is high, so that we can't take it. You have to take this keywords, right? So if you are going for the blog writing for the sports, you have to specify the country, which country you have to, your blog will be become for one, which country. You can select the particular country. Okay, that's how we have do the results. Okay, first you have to get the keyword, what's the specific keyword you need. You have to just put into here href and you have to search it. Okay, whatever website you have to see, if you see any niche website, you can just type on the website name and get the keyword. What are the, here this is a keyword, organic keyword result. You get the keyword and you can write the article in your blog. Okay, this is the way you have to follow to bring your blog into the first page. Okay, this is the way you have to watch it. Okay, right. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me.